Hey guys, it's Thomas, and I'm doing a video on my Hoover lightweight once again. It's been a long time since I've ran this, because a lot of and here's all these vacuums that have been in storage a really long time. I'm gonna have to catch up on these and show some of them to you. But yeah, I got the lightweight right here with special guest. You all know who this is.
Hello guys, what's up? I'm Peter.
Yeah, it's Peter, and I'm gonna have a link to his channel in the description. Go subscribe to Peter's Kirby vacuums. He's really cool. He has nice videos. And anyway, I'm going to have this running. So here we go. That's the Hoover Lightweight 1340, and this is Peter again.
Hello.
So, like I said, feel free to subscribe to him. Very cool guy. Thanks for watching. We'll have more up soon.